This is the Excel sheet that you're going to use for your budget for financial exercise number 4. So this is the overall budget spreadsheet, and here it's labeled, down in the labels, it's labeled overall. And then the rest of these budgets down here are for the individual sports. So you can see them labeled on down the row. There are some instructions in the very last tab called Notes, but they're fairly simple and I'll go over them with you. So changes made on the individual sport worksheets, such as men's swimming, women's swimming, are linked into the overall worksheet. And you make changes in the new columns on each sports worksheet, and they're highlighted in yellow. So let's look at men's swimming. So here is the new column, and you can make changes anywhere in here. So any change that you make in this column is reflected back on the overall worksheet. And that change will be seen down here in this very last cell, which is at the end of the profit and loss column. So this is the total profit, and because it's in parentheses, it means it's a loss. So that's what you have to balance. So let's just look at what making a change in an individual sport worksheet looks like in your overall profit cell. So let's just take men's swimming. So here's men's swimming, and let's decide that we're going to take away a scholarship. So we have 3 scholarships at $18,000. So if we eliminate one, that's $54,000 minus $18,000. We're going to have to make that change to $36,000. There we go. And so down here you can see it did a little math for us. It gave us an $18,000 savings that was applied to the balance deficit. So if we go back to the overall sheet and we go back and we look at the overall deficit, we can see that now, instead of $751,850, which was when we started, now it's down to $733,850. So this has gotten reduced by $18,000. So in this assignment, you're just going to have to work through these various sport budgets and make some decisions based on just some various philosophies and questions and parameters of the assignment and get this down to 0.